Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate BrandKit usage in Frontify detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate BrandKit usage in Frontify, begin by logging into your Frontify account. Navigate to the BrandKit section from the dashboard. Locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to access the BrandKit settings. In the settings menu, find the authentication options. Select the option labeled authentication or similar. Here, you will see a list of authentication methods available for use. Choose the method that best suits your team's workflow. If using single sign-on, enter the required credentials. Follow the prompts to connect your authentication provider. For email and password authentication, input your account details. Make sure to set the necessary permissions for your team members. Once you have configured the settings, click on the Save button. Next, test the authentication by logging out of your account. Re-enter your credentials to ensure the setup is functioning correctly. If prompted, follow any additional verification steps required. After successful authentication, return to the BrandKit dashboard. Now, your BrandKit usage is fully authenticated and secured. Encourage your team to familiarize themselves with the updated process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.